What if I told you that one of Europe's biggest economic success stories isn't Germany, France, or the United Kingdom? It's Poland, a country that was wiped off the map for over a century, devastated during World War II, controlled by communism for decades, and yet somehow transformed itself into one of Europe's fastest-growing economies. Today, Poland is one of the most influential nations in Europe, attracting millions of tourists every year while becoming a major economic powerhouse. But how did Poland achieve such a remarkable comeback? Let's find out. Poland is located in Central Europe and covers an area of approximately 312,000 square kilometers. It shares borders with Germany, the Czech Republic, Slovakia, Ukraine, Belarus, Lithuania, and Russia. The country is home to around 38 million people, making it one of the largest nations in the European Union by population. Its capital city, Warsaw, serves as the country's political, economic, and cultural center. Other major cities include Kraków, Gdańsk, Wrocław, Poznań, and Łódź. Poland's history is a story of resilience. The Polish state was established more than 1,000 years ago and became one of Europe's most powerful kingdoms. In the 16th century, the Polish-Lithuanian Commonwealth was among the largest and most influential states in Europe. But things changed dramatically. During the late 1700s, Poland was partitioned by neighboring powers and completely disappeared from the map. For 123 years, Poland did not exist as an independent nation. After World War I, Poland regained its independence in 1918. However, the country soon faced another tragedy. In 1939, Nazi Germany invaded Poland, triggering World War II. The war caused enormous destruction and resulted in the deaths of millions of Polish citizens. After the war, Poland fell under Soviet influence and became a communist state. It wasn't until 1989 that Poland peacefully transitioned to democracy, opening a new chapter in its history. One of the most fascinating aspects of modern Poland is its economic transformation. When communism collapsed, Poland faced major challenges. The economy was struggling, inflation was high, and unemployment was rising. But Poland implemented ambitious reforms. The country embraced market economics, encouraged private businesses, and attracted foreign investment. The results were remarkable. Poland became one of the fastest-growing economies in Europe. In fact, during the global financial crisis of 2008, Poland was the only European Union country that avoided recession. Today, Poland is a manufacturing hub for automobiles, electronics, machinery, and technology. Major global companies have established operations there, benefiting from a skilled workforce and strategic location. As a member of both NATO and the European Union, Poland has strengthened its position as a key player in Europe. Warsaw is one of Europe's most impressive comeback stories. During World War II, approximately 85% of the city was destroyed. Many believed Warsaw would never recover. Yet today, the city boasts modern skyscrapers, efficient public transport, thriving businesses, and vibrant cultural life. Visitors can walk through the beautifully reconstructed Old Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and witness how the city rose from the ashes. Warsaw perfectly symbolizes Poland's determination and resilience. Kraków is often considered Poland's cultural capital. Its stunning architecture, medieval atmosphere, and rich history make it one of Europe's most beautiful cities. The city's market square is among the largest medieval squares in Europe. This incredible underground world stretches for hundreds of kilometers. Visitors can explore chapels, tunnels, and sculptures carved entirely from salt. It's one of Poland's most unique attractions. For nature lovers, the Tatra Mountains offer breathtaking scenery, hiking opportunities, and winter sports. The town of Zakopane serves as the gateway to this spectacular region. Located on the Baltic Sea, Gdańsk is famous for its colorful architecture and maritime heritage. The city played an important role in European history and remains one of Poland's top tourist destinations. This is the largest castle in the world, measured by land area. Built by the Teutonic Knights, Malbork Castle is one of the finest examples of medieval military architecture. Polish culture is deeply rooted in tradition. The country has produced world-famous scientists, artists, musicians, and writers. One of Poland's greatest historical figures is Nicolaus Copernicus, whose revolutionary ideas changed our understanding of the universe. Poland is also the birthplace of Frédéric Chopin, one of history's most celebrated composers. Polish cuisine is another highlight. Popular dishes include pierogi, which are stuffed dumplings, bigos, often called hunter's stew, and żurek, a traditional sour rye soup. The country's strong family values, hospitality, and cultural traditions continue to play an important role in daily life. Modern Poland is a nation looking toward the future. The country is investing heavily in infrastructure, technology, education, and defense. Poland has become one of Europe's most important logistics and manufacturing centers. Its growing technology sector is attracting startups and international investors alike. At the same time, Poland continues to preserve its rich history and cultural heritage. This unique combination of tradition and innovation makes the country increasingly influential on the global stage. Poland's story is one of resilience, determination, and transformation. From disappearing off the map to becoming one of Europe's strongest economies. From wartime devastation to modern prosperity, Poland has repeatedly proven its ability to overcome extraordinary challenges. Whether you're interested in history, culture, stunning landscapes, or economic success stories, Poland offers something truly remarkable. And perhaps that's why more and more people around the world are discovering this fascinating European nation. What surprised you most about Poland? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing country documentaries. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.